I have been doing meditation for more than 2 years, and from past 1 year I've been doing it regularly and consistently. I want to share my meditation experience with you guys because many of you out there want to start off your meditation journey, maybe because for your health purpose or for your concentration or focus purpose. So many people are dealing with stress and depression these days, and people say meditation does help a lot. Does it really help? Does meditation really work? When you sit to do meditation for the first time, the first struggle you find is popping up of thoughts. People say that when you start to meditate, your thoughts get reduced. But actually, when you sit for meditation, your thought increases. It keeps popping up and you get irritated with the thoughts, and you cannot have that silence mode. That silence haunts you back. It scares. We are so much into the noise that silence is scary. Silence is disturbing. And all these things we face while we start the meditation journey. And do you need to really meditate for 1 hour? Or if you meditate for 2 minutes, is it fine? Let's find out in this video, because this is my honest long-term meditation experience. So sit back and listen to it. Maybe this video will help you out in starting off your meditation journey or restarting your meditation journey. So the first question that comes to your mind might, how did you get started to it? For me, I was struggling with depression and stress. It was really hard for me. I used to take a lot of medications, but that didn't really work for me. Every doctor I consulted, every elder I met told me to meditate. And every video that I have watched regarding headaches, regarding depression, regarding stress, regarding the upset of your mind, regarding the negative thoughts that pop up in your head, all those things, the only one common universal remedy was to meditate. And this really struck into my head. So I thought, whether it works or not, let me give it a shot, and I tried. And for the first time, it was really daunting for me. When I was a kid, I used to meditate like 1 or 2 minutes, that is hardly once in a month. But when I got serious with meditation, it was really daunting for me. I can use that word daunting because as soon as I sat and started meditating, closed my eyes, sat there and tried to meditate, the whole silence haunted me. It was scary. It was really hard. Thoughts kept popping in my head, and it was really disturbing. I got all the negative thoughts that I could ever get in my life. I thought, okay, am I doing it wrong way? I checked on the internet. They said a simple technique. Concentrate on your breath and that's it. There's no mantra. There is no hard trick for it. Just concentrate on your breath and nothing else. It was a simple technique, but it was really hard for me to do it. For the first 1 month or 15 days, I tried really hard to sit for more than 30 minutes, and I couldn't even sit for 30 seconds. I came across a couple of videos where they suggested me to take off guided meditation. So I started using guided meditation while I was meditating, and the twist was here, it really worked out for me. When I started implementing guided meditations into my meditation time, it was really working. And later on, for the month or two, I started using guided meditations whenever I wanted to meditate. I used to just sit for 30 seconds, then 1 minute, then 2 minutes, then 3 minutes, and then 5 minutes. 5 minutes was my max, and I started doing it regularly. And then I got serious with meditation, and I started using meditation app. Especially, there are two big guns out there in the meditation apps. One is Calm and one is Headspace. And I took up Headspace. And if you want to know how Headspace is, how that app is, I have a separate video on that. I'll be linking that video in the description below. You can check it out. I started doing all those 15 minutes guided meditation, 1 minute guided meditation, And there are so many aspects of guided meditation. It is like a hypnosis. It will guide you. If you are stressed and if you want to sit for meditation, the topic will be the stress-free guided meditation. You are suffering from insomnia and you want to go for sleep and you want to listen to guided meditation, you can go for sleep guided meditation. And if you wake up in the morning and if you want to have a beautiful day, you will have a gratitude guided meditation. And all these stuff, including this meditation app and YouTube guided meditations and a lot of other podcasts, it really helped me. So far, I have been doing meditations regularly for more than 15 to 30 minutes. My concentration level has increased, my focus level has increased. This meditation helped me in focusing more on the present, focusing and concentrating on the present moment. The meditation is very simple, but it is really hard to cultivate it. But if you can cultivate, it is going to have a huge impact on your personal life, professional life, and as well as social life. One of the main mistakes that people do is they do it for a few days and they are done with it. If you do it consistently, it really works. Even if you can't do it for 30 minutes, not even for 10 minutes, do it for 1 minute regularly every single day without fail, it will have an impact. Nature sound is one of the things that you can use it. Nature sound helps you to relax it. The sounds will help you to calm down. If you're not able to have a silent meditation, if you are scared of silence, use these kind of tricks and techniques to do meditations. And for me, 1 year of doing it really impacted me. And during this journey, you will get demotivated or discouraged. All this stuff will come in mind. But check out other meditation experiences. People telling their experiences on meditation. There are so many videos that people put out of their meditation experiences. Just check it out. Know their benefits. And those videos will help you to regain that motivation that you have lost and to sit and meditate. I would highly recommend you to do it, and do share your experiences with me, because your experiences matters a lot. And if you think this video has impacted you, this video has helped you, then share this video for one particular person who definitely require this video, because it will help them out. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to check out my podcast called Life Itself on any podcasting services, whether it is Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, or Spotify. And check out Headspace review that I have made few days back. Link will be in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care. You are watching Life Itself, and I'm your host, Deemu Bharadwaj.